Donut number 5 just exploded. I wonder how many times I said donuts in this video. Hello guys, welcome back to the fun side of 3D animation. This is Fidel 3D where I create content related to 3D animation. In today's video, we have donuts from the famous donut tutorial that almost everybody have watched. And you're going to check them out. You're going to see what these donuts have in store for us.
Are you sure?
And trust me when I say we have some amazing looking donuts. Like some artists, some 3D artists are really creative in what they were doing. I hope you enjoyed today's video. And please, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy our content. Like if you enjoy what I'm doing, you subscribe. Because I noticed that majority of you are not subscribed.
Thank you.
Okay, so on to donut number 1. Donut number 1. It's a normal looking donut. It looks normal. It looks just like what Andrew Price envisioned, just like how he was doing the donuts. But I think something looks a little bit off. If I remember how it looks, the final results looks exactly. I think something looks a little bit off. Okay, on to donut number 2. Donut number 2 looks great. So this is where we begin to see the creativity of some people. And so the previous one was a normal looking donut. So the name is, where is it? Let me see. The normal donut. Okay. So donut number 2 is actually, looks yummy. And I like the way it looks like a magic texture. I like how it was placed on it with some star-looking biscuits. They're probably biscuits, I don't know. And this little icing also looks great. Looks nice. Looks nice. So what name do we give these donuts? The Starfire. Starfire donuts, right? Okay. And my least favorite donuts, but then I guess the person was still being creative. And how do you name these donuts? This would be the, let me see, low poly donuts, right? The low yeah, this is exactly the low poly donuts. The low poly donuts. Okay. It's not bad, only that it's not edible. It's not edible at all. Who would eat this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Donut number 3. And donut number 4, we have the man donut. I was like saying, oh, this donut actually has eyes, and this, from my perspective, I think these are eyes, then a mustache, then a mouth. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section of what you think about donut number 4. And donut number 5. Donut number 5 just exploded. So my donut exploded. Any advice? So I believe the particle system that was supposed to be the sprinkled icing on it is what exploded, and this was looking like. So any advice? How does the person solve this problem? I think the person followed the tutorial properly. The person will be able to do it. By the way, I never watched the donut tutorial.
What?
Okay, and on to donut number 6.
Oh, that is delicious.
So this is probably a donut from a restaurant. Well, looking at how it was presented, it looks like the person really took the time to add these little details, which is the sugar and the tissue to it. So this is the executive donut. The executive donut. All right. I don't know how good I am at naming, but then I hope you guys are cool with it. If you have a better name, just put it down in the comment section, right? On to donut number 7. Donut number 7, I'll call it the ancient donuts, because The fabric on this thing, on this piece looks ancient, I'll say. So the ancient donut with candle lights over here and a normal cup and spoon and plates and the donuts themselves. So this is a donut for two. So ancient donut in brackets, donuts for two. Okay, it's nice, it's creative, I like it. Donut number 8.
Boy, that is delicious.
Donut number 8 looks great. Should I call it the most yummy donuts ever? The most yummy looking donuts ever. Probably might look great, but tastes bad. But then seriously, it looks really, really good. I like it. There's an effort placed into it that you can appreciate. This will be our honey donuts, right? This donut is. It looks like this thing looks like honey with some sugar, but let's call it the honey donut. And it looks great. It looks edible, but I don't know about these black stuffs. I don't know whether it was meant to be part of the render or something went wrong. But then, still looks delicious. I would actually eat that. And donut number 10. Plasticky donuts. Really? Okay, seriously, this donut looks like plastic, especially the icing placed on it. It looks like plastic, and okay, the donut itself looks okay. Okay. So this donut looks great.
Really impressive. Whoa. Just whoa. Bravo.
I don't know the concept behind these biscuit-looking things, but then this looks like a unicorn's horn. So the unicorn donuts, yeah, the unicorn donuts, yeah. Let's take it that way. It looks okay. I like how everything looks so delicious. It's well made. On to donut number 12. Donut number 12 actually messed up. This is it says help, the icing keeps falling off. So it looks like this donut ended up being a mess. So we can call it the messy donut. Okay, the messy donut, right? And on to donut number 13, we have the let's see. Do I have a name for this donut? What does this remind you of? I don't know. The render looks great. I like how the colors are simple. This looks shiny. The royal donut.
Nice one.
Let's call this the royal donut, right? Okay. Donut number 14. Okay, donut number 4 is actually well presented. Kitchen donuts, I would say, because this looks like a kitchen setup with our donuts in the shelf and we have our cups over there. So this looks great. The donuts, the cups, the plates, and everything. The kitchen donuts. Yeah, kitchen donuts. Okay, on to donut number 15. We have the. Okay, so this one actually named itself already. It said, the caption was, damn it, I put too much PewDiePie on my donut. I hate it when this happens. So obviously, the PewDiePie donut. The render looks, should I say great? Let's look at this very closely. It looks like it has this darky part. It almost looks like biscuit. Yeah. Okay, PewDiePie donuts. PewDiePie donuts. Then we have let's give this a simple name. It looks yummy. I like how this part is blurred out and this part is in focus. The chocolate donuts. The chocolate donuts. Okay. On to donut number 17, we have what is this? Okay, yeah, this is a glowing donut. So the glow donut or bloomy donut. Glow donuts, bloomy donuts. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. This actually reminds. I wouldn't be surprised if it was inspired by the Ducky 3D tutorial where he made this site using JS placements. Actually, I have a review of that software. He used to make displacement maps, and he had a circle. He had a round ball on it. Yeah. So our glow donut looks great. And finally, not this is not the last one. I think there's my personal favorite coming up next. We are going to name this one the bunker. I don't know, it looks like something that is protecting, it's probably protecting the main donut. So the donut case, maybe the donut case or something. The donut case. I'll go with the donut case. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And by the way, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe, okay? And on to the last donut, we have our sci-fi donut.
Oh my God! Wow!
Or the machine donuts. I don't know. I haven't really thought of these names properly, but then, you know, I like how this donut, maybe this is a machine that's going to make us more donuts and your price to have this ultimate donut that contains of lots of donuts that is going to be using. I wonder how many times I said donuts in this video. I'll check that out. I'll check that out. So please don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. Smash that subscribe button if you want to see more content from me.
Thank you.
And then share it to your friends if you want to show them the kind of donuts that other people have made. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.